Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable restore settings and data when reinstall apps on your Android. So you can go to the settings and go to the additional settings. You can scroll down, tap it, scroll down again, and here we go, backup and reset. You can tap it again, and here backup accounts and also automatic restore. So you can turn on backup accounts and automatic restore. Both option is to restore your settings and data when you reinstall the app. So if you uninstall a Facebook or uninstall a video editor or another apps that you need to uninstall because of you have to free up space, and now you need that apps, you can reinstall, but your settings and your data hopefully will be there. So to enable that, you can turn on automatic restore. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.